Yeah.
Way
Yeah,
to go.
finally.
Way to go. Yeah. Okay, you still got one left. See if you can do the same. See if you can do the same thing again.
You gotta hit it.
No, you're on a roll. I mean, I had like 20 chances to hit it, and I didn't. I just made it dance.
Oh, I gotta do this.
Yeah, get the shell out and chamber another one. It's supposed to pick it up. It's supposed to go in real easy. That shell is too far back. Looks like. Slide it forward a little. Yeah. Try it now. Another one in there, is it? No, it's okay. The chamber's empty, so
right. Now it's in there?
Yeah, you just have to force it in there.
Oh, okay.
You were just a little too ginger with it.
Thank you. Two in a row.
Yeah.
This one's on.
Yeah, we know that one's sighted in now. Great. Pretty big blast too.
Finally, I feel like a 2 out of 50-50 thing. Let me hit a gong down there and see if I can.
I guess maybe my no, gotta cycle it. Did you do it? Maybe the AR was, well, I never really hit it good. But yeah, I did. I hit the first two good. Tannerite. Maybe the AR just wasn't powerful enough for those. Got it.
Took a while. I shot and looked up and then I heard it hit.
Yeah, that's the best shot yet on the gong, closest to the center.
This gun's on it. I got one more, I think, or not?
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. I think I'll go for the white one on the rock. Remember the rock on top?
Yeah, okay. Can't tell, so I guess you went high.
Yeah. It's not much worse than that other one, but
Okay.
it's got about 5% more, maybe 10.
Yeah.
You want to try that one? Try it.
No, that's okay.
Oh, here. You're better at putting in than I am. It's got a good little, and it's right on. You were exactly. I was aiming where you said, just right at the base of it, and it went Here's another. Yeah, I bet you can hear this one all over. One for the gong or the rock?
No. Let's see how it does on the. I'll try the center of the big white one on the left.
Oh, the rabbit things. Okay.
The sewer lid. With that has a little. Oh no, that'll rock. That'll knock the rock off. I'll go for the orange gong.
Right in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, right towards the bottom. I saw some sparks.
No, I think I hit right next to yours. Up high of center a little bit.
Ah, could be. It's shaking, it's rocking.
Okay, now I'm going to go for one of those rocks, orange rocks on the berm. Oh, I got this.
Yeah.
I forgot it's not my AR.
It's about the same loud as your AR. And right at the base of the rock.
Okay, here we go.
Busted it.
Yeah, busted it up. Okay, I'll go for the next rock to the right.
Busted it.
This is a rock destroyer, man.
It seems to destroy anything. Our rabbit right here.
Oh, he's watching, spectating.
Yeah.
He's going to be a deaf rabbit. Alright, I guess I'll keep. No, I'm done.
Got one more? No?
No. That's it. I put 3 in it. That was it. Why don't you shoot a clip?
Let me go. Yeah, let me go turn my GoPro off.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hey, why don't you bring your GoPro up here?
Says full.
Uh-oh.
Don't know if I got it or not. I bet we probably did, but